Welcome back to the Insight Sphere. Today's deep dive XCN real-time price update, technical and fundamental analysis, and a projection for the coming week. If you watched our previous XCN video, we covered the origins and uh, longer-term outlook. Now we focus sharply on right now, June 10, 2025, and what may happen by June 17, 2025. Let's get started. Um, as of today, June 10, 2025, XCN trades at approximately 0.01521 USD. This represents an 8.9% increase from yesterday close of 0.01435 and an 8.4% rise over the past 7-day period. XCN is similarly quoted around $0.0153, showing a major pullback from earlier weekly high near $0.0186. Market cap stands near $510 million to $565 million USD, depending on 24-hour volume is in the $30 to $58 million range, indicating robust liquidity for a mid cap token. Over the past week, XCN dipped to lows around $0.0147 on June 6th, then rallied about $0.0157 on June 4th before consolidating near $0.0153 today. Last week's swing was influenced by mixed macro crypto sentiment and lingering profit taking after May rally to $0.0223. Technically, this manifests as a tightening range, suggesting traders are awaiting fresh catalysts. For the coming week, we will assess these catalysts, chart patterns, and broader factors to project possible price paths to June 17, 2025. If I talk about immediate support, it's around $0.0145. A break below here could test mid $0.0153 range, as some forecasts suggest. 0.01392 to $0.0140 is a stronger support for the XCN, predicting a dip to $0.0143 by month, and if bearish momentum persists. If I talk about the immediate resistance, that is near $0.0165 to a $0.0170. Above that, next barrier around $0.0187 to $0.0190, where earlier weekly highs occurred. Major resistance is near $0.020 to $0.022, a zone that capped rallies in late May. Recent actions shows a consolidation after a modest rally on daily chart. Look for a potential descending triangle or a symmetrical triangle. Tightening volatility suggests a breakout or breakdown soon. RSI, if I talk about RSI hovering near neutral 50, a rising RSI above 50 to 60 on increased volume could confirm bullish checkout. Conversely, RSI dipping below 40 may signal a bearish continuation. Let's talk about the moving averages. Price setting around the 20-day SMA, a clean crossover above 50-day SMA could add bullish conviction, while a drop below 20 and 50-day could reinforce bears. Watch for the volume spikes if accompanying breaks of $0.0165 or a falls between $0.0145. Volume confirmation is key for reliability. Several catalysts may drive XCN this week actually. OIP 56 governance update. This protocol OIP 56 remains in community discussion. If official timeline or testnet rollout is announced, it could spark renewed buying as governance participation fraction is lowered. Watch official XCN DU channels for announcement. Any positive news may push price towards resistance zones. Recent DYDX listing, broadband listing broadened access rumors of additional listings, for example, on other decentralized exchanges or centralized exchanges. Pairs could merge. More venues typically boost volume and attract new traders. Announcement via Twitter or official blog could trigger intraday spikes. Uh, Bitcoin and Ethereum price action often influence altcoins. If BTC hold key support or post or breakout, altcoins including XCN may follow suit. Conversely, a BTC correction could drag XCN lower. Monitor macro news, that is regulatory updates, ETF flows for all that context. XCN protocol developments and partnerships are also significant to impact the price. Any partnership news, for example, integration ecosystem expansion, can drive midweek rallies. Developer activity spikes or ecosystem metrics are bullish signals. XCN community sentiment appears cautiously optimistic. Social engagement rising after OIP 56 discussion. Global risk sentiment can influence crypto risk taking. A risk of environment might pressure XCN. Risk on could benefit all coins. If I talk about a weekly scenario forecast, we outline two primary scenarios for June 10 to 17, 2025. Bullish scenario could be a breakout above $0.0165 to a $0.017 If this line break, we could expect a bullish scenario. Positive OIP announcement or a broader market rally could be a catalyst for that. So if I talk about the entry trigger, daily close about 0.0165 on above range, above average volume. Immediate target could be a $0.0185. If momentum sustains a secondary target, 0.020, potentially testing the 0.022 region. Place stop loss below a 0.0155 to guard against false breakouts. If price approaches $0.020 this week, be mindful of resistance and consider scaling out. If I talk about the bearish scenario, that could be a breakdown below $0.0145. Daily close below $0.0145 with the volume increase could be a trigger for this situation. Further downside, if $0.0135 breaks, potential test for $0.124. For shorts, stop loss above $0.153. For long at support, consider stop below $0.134. Watch for bullish divergence on RSI and MACD at support for possible rebound plays. Further, if I talk about a neutral sideways scenario, price remains range bound between 0.0145 to $0.0165. Range traders may buy near support and sell near resistance, but be cautious of fake outs. Monitor volume and news, adjust positions quickly upon breakout signals. And before trading any scenario, remember that position sizing is must. Only risk a small percent of your capital per trade, like 1 to 2%. There must be a discipline for stop loss, predefined stop based on support and resistance. Don't allocate entire portfolio to XCN, consider broader crypto and non-crypto assets. Stay informed, follow XCN channels, on-chain metrics, dashboards, and reputable analysts. Avoid fear of missing out. If price spikes quickly, resist chasing without plan. Decide if you are trading weekly volatility or investor longer term, adjust strategy accordingly. If I recap the whole forecast and prediction, current prices, I mentioned current price is $0.0153. Key technical zones are support is $0.0145, resistance, while resistance is 0.0165 to 0.0185. Fundamental catalysts this week is OIP 56 updates, exchange news, broader market moves, XCN ecosystem developments. So these are the fundamental catalysts for all bearish or bullish scenario. Always apply risk management and stay updated with official resources. Thank you for watching this real-time XCN analysis and week ahead forecast. If you found value, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. What scenario do you favor for XCN this week? We will discuss in the next update. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you soon on Inside Sphere.